you ever had to stay home sick from work and in between episodes of Steve and Judge Judy wondered, how is Alex Trebek and all these other companies selling life insurance for $9 a month? Here are 3 reasons why you should not be buying life insurance off of the TV. Reason 1, figure $9.99 is not the real price. See, these companies are doing what's called band rating. So per age group, there's a band of insurance that they sell at a rate. Usually the band is in units of 1,000, so $1,000 worth of life insurance. And normally the younger age groups get the lower cost. For example, the 45 to 50-year-olds might get like a $5 charge per $1,000 of life insurance. And that rate goes up as you age. So the 50 to 55-year-olds might get the $9.99 per banded rate of $1,000. Of course, when you apply that to an actual effective amount of life insurance, like let's say $10,000, which is below average, the person that falls in that age group would be paying about $99 a month. 2, besides the misleading price, there's also a promise of no medical underwriting. The reason why these companies are doing that is because they don't actually intend to pay on the death benefit in the first 2 or 3 years. These are what are called graded death benefit policies. Now, normally on the open market, these graded death benefit policies are reserved for people who are just too unhealthy to be qualified for any other type of plan. They're the most expensive type of final expense plans out there. That's why these companies are comfortable not asking medical questions, because in the first 2 to 3 years, they don't actually have to pay the full death benefit. If you do pass away in those beginning years, they just return the premium payments that you paid to your beneficiary. And third, many of these policies increase and cancel. So if it's not a graded death benefit policy, then it's a plan called a renewable term policy, most common of which is sold through a very famous retiree organization, giving the impression that you're getting some sort of good deal or discount. Every 5 years, this plan actually goes up in cost. And this will happen every 5 years that you keep the plan until your 81st birthday. The plan cancels altogether. Of course, all of these misleading details are explained in the commercial themselves in a little fine print at the bottom. And again, detailed on that big lengthy application and contract that you receive that no one actually reads. Chasing what you thought was a cheap rate on a commercial or Alex Trebek's pretty smile is not going to give you the depth of all your options.